This AI skeleton video trend is getting millions of views, and I'll show you how to make it in under 5 minutes for free. So I've been seeing these AI skeleton videos everywhere on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and they're blowing up. Creators are getting monetized and getting tons of views from these videos alone. This creator has only 2 videos but has gained millions of views just from this video. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create them for free using ChatGPT and Higgsfield, plus how to turn them into full videos with voiceovers. First, go to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type skeleton shorts and open the first one. Now, type the topic you want your skeleton video to talk about. For example, I'll type healthy breakfast. ChatGPT will give you a storyline and multiple image prompts. Copy the first prompt. We're going to use it to generate our first image. You can create your images in OpenArt. It's free to start, but I'm using Higgsfield AI. The link is in my bio. It's also free to start. Once inside Higgsfield, click Image right here, then select Nano Banana Pro. Upload a skeleton reference image. I'll leave one in the description. Paste the first prompt from ChatGPT. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and resolution to 2K, then click Generate. While this is generating, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. Paste it into Higgsfield and generate again. Do this for all prompts. ChatGPT usually gives 4 to 5 images. Once done, download all your images. Now click Video inside Higgsfield. Scroll down and choose Clean 2.6 model. Set aspect ratio to 9:16 and choose 5 or 10 seconds duration. Upload your first image. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate video prompts for each image. Copy the first video prompt and paste it into Higgsfield, then click Generate. Repeat this for all images. The cool part, you can generate multiple videos at the same time. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a voiceover script for the video. Copy the script, then go to ElevenLabs. Click text to speech, paste your script, and choose a voice. Pick a strong, eye-catching voice, then generate.
In the world of robots, imagination, just as the sailor, trust.
अगर आपको एक ऐसी आवाज चाहिए जिस
Donovan's deep voice is the sound of articulate authority, but he also feels deep. In the world of robots, imagination builds dreams as vibrant as a rainbow.
Finally, go to CapCut, upload your videos and your AI voiceover. Sync the voice with the visuals, add captions and effects, and your viral AI shot is ready.
The way you start your day shapes everything that follows. A healthy breakfast fuels your body and sharpens your mind. This smoothie is real energy. Vitamins, fiber, and natural ingredients. No crash, just steady fuel. Fresh fruit hydrates and protects your body. Simple, natural, powerful. Healthy fats support your brain and keep you full longer. Balance is the key. Hydration boosts focus and performance. Small choices make a big difference. A balanced breakfast builds discipline. Fuel your body right and own your day.
If you want my exact prompts, I'll leave them in the description. And if you want to start using Higgsfield, click the link in my bio and sign up for free. Subscribe for more AI content hacks that make money while you sleep. I will see you in the next one.